Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Park West Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests, 24-hour front desk and an elevator. Park West Hotel located 200 feet from Central Park. Park West Hotel on Central Park offers Wi-Fi and laundry services. Park West on Central Park is 0.7 miles from Columbia University and 1.4 miles from the American Museum of Natural History. Each of the room at the Park West includes a TV, radio, alarm clock and air conditioning. The private bathroom is equipped with a shower, bathtub and offers Bigelow toiletries for all guests. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.